Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will show you how to update your video drivers on Windows 11. So let's get started. So first of all, you have to go to search bar and type device manager. Then you can see this icon, open it, maximize it. Now in the left side of the window, you can see the listed drivers. You have to search for sound, video and game controllers. So here it is. Double click on it and you can see the smart technology for digital microphones. Right click on it and go to update drivers. Then you will see here the two options here, search automatic drivers or browse my computer for drivers. You have to click on first one. Then in my case it's already updated up to date. You can check in your PC or laptop whether you got a driver update or not. So close this window. I will show you the another step. Open the settings. This time you can see the all the listed settings. So go to the last one, Windows Update, and go to check for updates. This will check updates for the any latest driver related to video graphics, sound graphics, game drivers, security drivers. It will take to 20 to 30 seconds to check it up. Till then you can subscribe my channel as well as you can like my video. I keep bringing the essential and the most useful tutorials on Windows 11. So it's checking for the updates for the video graphic drivers. It will take few seconds. Okay. And always keep this on, so you will get the latest updates whenever they are available on your PC or laptop. Okay, it's taking some time. I don't know, it's taking some time this time. It usually takes 15 seconds, but right now it's taking some time. Okay, now you can see I got the updates for my Windows 11 PC. So you can check in your laptop or PC whether you got an update or not. And thanks for watching, guys.